Hi, welcome to Origami Ocean. Today we'll be making origami butterfly finger ring. In one square sheet of paper, we can create 4 such rings. I'll be taking 15 cm by 15 cm square sheet of paper and I'll be cutting it into 4 strips. To create one ring, I'll be taking one strip and I'll be folding into half. Open the paper and bring the sides to the center crease. Bring two sides together and fold the paper into half. Make a sharp crease. Open the paper and on the same crease line, fold it back so that it will be easier for you to work later. Keep the flat side on the top and bring these two sides to the center crease. Make a sharp crease again, open it and then do the inside reverse fold. Turn the paper into upside down. Then fold down the flap on this line. Repeat the same thing on the back side too. The model will look like this. Now once again bring the sides to the center crease. Repeat the same thing on the back side too. Now fold up the flap and fold it down by leaving 2 mm gap on the top. Repeat the same thing on the back side too. Now let's fold this area into 3 equal parts. So fold it as demonstrated. Repeat the same thing on the back side too. Now this length is slightly bigger for me, so I will cut approximately 1 centimeter here. Now just give a curve shape here so that it will fit your finger properly. Open it like this and fix it as shown. You can use little bit of glue to make it firm. Butterfly finger ring is done. Thank you for watching. Do like, share and subscribe. Don't miss out the videos which will be streaming on every Fridays. Let's meet in the next video. Thank you.